Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video I'm going to be giving an update on Leadsleap. It's a traffic exchange slash traffic co-op that allows you to post ads, and they also added different ways. Well, they added one more way you could get paid. So I'm going to be going over it going over that right now, and a few other things I'm going to show you as well too. So you could post free ads here, and then you could gain credits. Now the total credits I have is 41,111 credits. That's because I'm a pro member. Okay, but if you want to remain free, that's fine. But you do have more benefits by upgrading to pro. It's only $27 a month. Okay, you put in your URL here. You put in a catchy title. You put in your ad text. Okay, you put in the category that best fit your ad. You put a link for the social review. It's optional, and then you hit save and submit. And you're gonna put in your number of credits here. All right, now if you want to upgrade to pro, I do advise you to do that. You pretty much just set it and forget it. Okay, so you have your link tracker, and this is one of the ways you could get paid. So we're gonna just click on that right now, and I'm promoting a free social media platform called WebTalk. You can see here my stats. I'm promoting this on different websites. You can see my stats here, direct unknown. So I have 30 opt-ins here. I'm promoting it also on Hercules. Okay, I'm also promoting it on YouTube as well too. And I have 4 opt-ins from YouTube. And then also at the same time, I'm getting paid as well. The longer they stay and surf on the website, the more I get paid. And I could show you that also right now. Let me go to that daily activity bonus. This is if you want to surf ads, which I'm really not doing. I really don't care too much about that. And then my cash out bonus. So I'm at 41.11 credits. I could cash out at 50 credits. Okay, and this is my earnings. I haven't been using this much. I just started using it, and that's my earnings already. And then, like I said, the co-op earnings. This is pretty much you could share links to different traffic exchanges and websites. And what they'll do now is they'll rotate your ads on those same websites and traffic exchanges that you're promoting on. So that's definitely a game changer there. Okay, and here's the links here. So this is another. This is someone promoting healthy new living. Okay, just by me clicking on that link. All right, so let me back out of it. Okay, you're caught, and that's just a preview of it. Okay. All right, so I haven't been really promoting it yet. It just went live about 2 days ago. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that, and I'll show you my results in the later video. Okay, and I haven't really been promoting Leadsleap, just a couple times, but I'm gonna start promoting it more since they added some new features. All right, and this is my pay per click earnings, and we'll go over that as well. So we'll click on tutorial. So you can make up to $5, up to, well, anywhere from $5 to $100 cost per 1,000 clicks. Okay, so the more you promote it, of course, the more you get paid on that. All right. Now, if you are interested in joining, I do advise you to go ahead and click on the link below for free. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, have a good one.